What is up, YouTube? So let's go ahead and go for a little cruise today. Get my bike started, let her warm up for a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my bike run for about 5 minutes, so I guess we can just sit and wait. We can go ahead and do a dance party in the time being. I think I'm good enough to take off now. Just we just can't really get on her for a second. Well, that one didn't really go as planned. I don't know if these people were mad behind me or not, but they can get the fuck over it. They might be mad. They're probably mad. But yeah, buddy, yeah. I guess I'll do a little loop. I'll come down here, I'll go down this way, do a few wheelies, and then either I'll come back or just keep on following it and see wherever the road leads me. I don't know. I don't really know my way around here, so kind of just going with the flow, guys. But like I said before, my normal bike that I ride, the black one, is good. The raffle bike, it needs some work, which it shouldn't take much. It should be alright. But other than that, I mean, I don't know, I just have a lot of stuff I gotta do, a lot of stuff going on in my life, so. But don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. We're gonna ride, we're gonna do some build videos, excuse me, more than likely this winter, so. And that's the thing, in Texas, you can ride year round, so just about, you know. At least ride lots year round. Today is an amazing day, so figured we'd come out, I'd make a little video for you guys. Dead end down there. Oh no, let's go ahead and do one more little set right here. See if I can jump to a seat stander. Kinda. So let's go ahead and just cruise. Get some oil flowing through that motor since I don't have an oil pickup yet. That's definitely on my things, one of my things to do for this bike, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that soon. Eventually, like I've been saying, I'm gonna do it for months now. I need to hurry up before I blow this motor and then really fucking hate myself. But anyway, thanks guys for holding on and watching my videos, and like I said, there's gonna be more stuff to come. I'm just gonna throw this out there just to, you know, go ahead and give y'all a little update. But I really do appreciate all you guys, and I just want to keep this thing going, you know, as much as possible. It's a big ass ant ball. Shit. Damn, holy moly. Oh, shit. You see that? Woo! Dude, I almost took out that fucking bird. Whatever the fuck that was. I don't know what that was. But I'll put it down in the link below. Oh, fuck, I thought I was gonna plow that bird. I would have punched it. Woo! No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't have punched it. For legal reasons, I wouldn't have punched the bird. But we should fucking go surf. We'll go surf on this hoe. Oh yeah, we surfing, baby. We surfing. Oh yeah, baby, we surfing. Oh, I got getting speed wobble while I'm surfing. Shit. Oh shit, something just fell off. Something just fell off my shit. What the fuck that was? It's not really. There it is. It's like a fucking little bushing. Alright. Well. Oh, there's a fucking nut back there. Well, my fucking bike's falling apart, damn it! Alright guys, so we went out today, had a good time. Had a good time, did a few wheelies, updated you on my situation. So like I said, I'm gonna fix both the other bikes, I'm gonna make some build series videos. I'm not going anywhere, I'm gonna stay here. Been going through some shit lately, but hey, it'll all get resolved just like anything else. It's just life. Everybody's got problems, so instead of being rude to that person that is being an asshole to you or something, like just give them the benefit of the doubt and just, you don't know what they're going through. I'm not saying for me, I'm just saying for anybody. Like, there's people everywhere that are going through shit. Everybody in their life, everybody that you know is going through shit. So just remember, and something to think about. But anyway guys, y'all stay tuned. If you haven't seen any of these videos on this channel before, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below. And that's it. Love you guys. Y'all take it easy, be safe.